chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get
Shout out
paid.
Eric for subbing with Prime.
They live through the story they made, okay?
Do we even have to say it over and over and over again? W, Eric.
Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in the grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I...
Wait, yo, we gotta make...
I deposited the 6K because I took 6K from... You don't need the slip then, for record. Cool.
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah.
Yo, we gotta make a story. You wanna make one live right now?
If you prove it.
I will prove it, and I will lose it.
Do you see what I'm doing right now?
Yo, chat, give me an opening line for this reel, for the story.
Real.
I'm making a story to be like, join, we're live. Somebody give me an opening line right now. First person to say it, I'll use it.
Yo,
Guaranteed.
Duro's gonna get mad at me. Duro told
I didn't
me.
score today.
Duro told me to play background music on TikTok because it's so dry. Because you're speaking, but it's not picking up on TikTok, so it's just empty space. He's like, "Yo, please
we
play
should definitely do
music."
that.
He's like, "Plus, it's so early, especially on TikTok. You gotta keep the vibes up."
For real. Yo, so chat. You're just not gonna.
Can we set that up later, Reps? We'll use my
I thought I could trust you guys.
Spotify, TikTok.
I really thought.
Let's play background music.
I'm disappointed, high key.
DMCA. Yeah, we'll play DMCA.
No. Intro line. Time to turn on the daily printer. All right. I want to see if there's any more.
I think on TikTok
Not
it's
bad.
fine. Yeah.
Yo, there's 25 people here. Somebody give me an intro line to this story. Come on. Conesis.
Why is he yelling already?
Nos,
I don't
George,
know, bro.
Marangulo,
He's an angry guy, huh?
Scotty, Toasty, Jimothy, Taylor, Zulu, Nick, Wendy, Eddie, 007, M-Drop, Underwater, James, M-Doles, Mike, Shazia, Buffett, Eric. Why is he yelling already?
W, Eric. Welcome to the laboratory where safety.
You don't own
oh
me.
my god!
Fuck.
Do you hear this?
What?
Look how nasal.
Shut up, man.
Okay, watch this.
No, don't do it.
End stage for everyone.
Don't do it. It's time to make a
I will
biggie
only
bag.
be on TikTok for today. Jonathan will be by himself. Bye.
Okay, can you... God. Well, we've done it again. Can you give me an opening line? Bro, this guy's only talking to TikTok now. All right. He's tripping. He's tweaking. All right, you know what? I'm gonna start right now. Opening line. Do you realize what you've done? I think that's pretty good. Do you realize what you've done? Thinks he's a TikTok pro. Streaming the trading live for free. Yes, we are on the Discord. Look. Discord. Got to be skidding me. Alright. He's yelling again. He's always yelling. Alright, you want to join the Discord? You Bumbaros? Guy's screaming. Yo, join the Dis.
I'm joining the Discord only because it is on my own affairs, not because you have said it.
Don't tell me what to do.
It will get me upset.
Oh
Okay.
man.
First things first, I'm the realist. I drop down, I let the whole world feel it. Look at me, looking at you.
Look at me. Look at me. His favorite line. Oh man, who's ready to print today?
No,
We are literally at 26K.
no.
Yo, I can't lie. That's a data wick, right? No, it's not. What the hell is that? What's the news? What are we looking at? What are we looking for?
If you ever leave me,
6 a.m. and
baby,
8:30. What is that 7:46 candle?
some
That has to be
morphine
like
at my
some
door.
tweet.
'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication. Bye bye. Leave you by my side to get you from walking out the door.
And I need
'Cause
a
there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. There'll be no dirty eyes if you clean it, baby. Just like the cloudings, my icings will do the same if you walk away. Every day of the rain, rain, rain. Ooh.
Oh, it's not picking up. Why am I who? Yo, can you scream real quick?
Hey,
Do it again.
hey.
Man, my gain gotta be a little lower. Tie shit.
He's typing.
Sometimes I'm
He's
typing and
cheating.
sometimes I'm shit.
What? What? He's typing while cheating. Roll call. Oh my goodness. Look what happened.
What is that?
My live. I have to appeal it now.
Let's talk levels.
I don't know.
Level 1, we're above 26k. This is the top of one of my 4-hour ranges. I would like to see if we would actually perfectly break structure and close. Anything above 2610 with a nice little retest, I would like longs to that top of that 2650 where that giant war candle wick is. Ha ha. Very nice. We also have previous day highs at the exact level of 26.
Wait, I have an idea. Rams.
I'm potentially long on the day depending on our open print.
Oh, you're pulling him through Discord, right? Oh. I think if you were using the link, I would say put him in the link on the here. It's fine. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, but have you got to be skidding me?
Wait, yeah.
I gotta put my glasses on. I can't see shit. Wow. Damn, yours is plugged in? Buenos dias!
It was one of our favorite things that we bought and we haven't been using. I'm very upset at it.
Yeah, our chair's massage. No, I'm good. I move around too much. I think it'll just unplug.
Production's looking cute over there. Ooh, you have an admirer.
Get on the cam. Get
You
on
know
the
it's
cam.
Issa Benji.
Get on the cam. Huh.
Bench?
Oh, okay.
Oh, not for Benji?
Not for Benji. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that suck up. Very, very nice. Ace, what's your TA on the day? 5 minutes until open.
Yeah, I gave it to premium.
How do you like? Okay, well, don't give the premium TA, but like, how do you like this 26k?
It's these. It's these. Yeah. To be honest, I don't think there's a lot of extension until we can break the news high at 58 and at 47 on NQ. So we'll see what can happen from there. We do have Asia high at 42, London high at 38, and then a full deviation band all the way up there as well. So if it does break, we have our ADR sitting at 261 to 241. And then from there, massive room all the way up. We're talking like 670 and then 320 as well. So 320 is obviously first. Oh my goodness. He is going to break himself.
What was the level?
None of your beeswax anymore.
No, I didn't hear it. I need to hear the level one more time.
6-7.
Sorry. I deserve to get banned.
Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say?
By the way, chat, I will make it very known and very clear that if I get this next payout on this account, which I think I will, I'm gonna go all in 20 Apex accounts and print. That's the plan.
Oh yeah.
Heavy
Also,
lifting
we
for
have
that.
60 people in here now. 3 minutes until the open. Literally, that last trade before we ended stream
Yeah, that was ridiculous.
was insane, guys. Absolutely insane. That thing went over 200 points. We ended up passing 6 apexes, the TOF elite access, and then in halfway past lucids, and then continued to pass fully on the lucids because there was already 2 days stacked on top of that
Yeah.
prior of like 500 and 500 or whatever. So I only needed a little more. Ended up passing those in Globex because Globex last night was ripping. I don't know if you guys see that alert in Globex, but literally called out the top reversal all the way at 35. That thing then flushed 100 points. Pretty banger.
All I know, like, look what Zulu said. Zulu said, "Don't remind me." All I know is that last play that you gave before we ended stream, and everyone could see your screen too. Entered that long, and then you continued
What are
calling
the
it in
instant
premium?
funded sitting at? So that did hit DLL. Again, we're fully transparent. I made an announcement about it, and the announcements are going to shift starting today because I'm going to put all of them in sections. So from... Oh, you don't even know this yet.
This guy doesn't even tell
So
me.
the reason why is because TradeSyncer was including all of those evals inside of there. So if I were to refresh the dash, those evals don't exist no more. So it's going to remove all of the stats that were made from the evals. So the TradeSyncer now is only going to reflect fundeds.
That makes sense.
It is only fundeds, guys. So we went from 18 accounts total yesterday. But one of them was technically it was 17 because the elite access and the eval were both showing at the same time until they removed the eval. So it's 17. So now we are running with 17 funded accounts on the TradeSyncer. But today in particular, I am only using the Lucids and the Tradeifys. So 10 of the 17. 10 of the 17 will be used. And there's a reason why. Should I show them, John? I didn't even show you.
What? Show me. Wait, there's an updated version from what you showed me? Hold on, let me see this.
So I didn't even show you too. Here, both of you guys. Before I made
Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat.
it's all done.
Oh.
But yeah,
Oh. Oh, there's the open candle, baby.
and that literally touched very close to that London high, guys. Or it did go to that London high, actually. Sorry. London high and Asia high wedged in between there. Let's see if we can. You know what's crazy? 26K is actually not as strong as I would like it to be. If you go on like the hourly, it's strong, but the only thing is, it's like you're getting fat wicks above and below, so you can't use it as if it's like there's too many orders sitting all around it.
I understand.
English was not Englishing there, as you guys can tell.
I understand.
Sometimes it's a little harder to do when it's not your account.
But look at the daily. We've like high key just been on a run.
With it holding 26K and at that test right there, it's not bad. And then you guys could literally target under 26 as an SL. Like if it touches, it touches. We're talking, 25 points now. But at the bottom there, would have been so clean.
Mm-hmm.
I have a supply zone CE at 26,132. Nice. You are sounding like a premium member, that's for sure.
Yo, production, I'm sorry, I'm moving my screens real quick.
Always. What else is new? Am I right, production?
I'm moving my screens real quick.
Okay, there it goes for the test again underneath. I'm actually going to trigger myself and barely risk shit. I'm going to put the SL at 89. And we're in with barely anything here, guys. Barely anything.
Yep. Which production though? Not the flavored production. What?
Let's see
What?
if it can reclaim
Yeah.
26. If it does and goes above 26.10, once again, I will do my add-in for that full position. Here's the test. Let's see if we can reclaim. And I'm going to add in. So we're in with 4 micros right now. I won't be adding in more at this point. Watch out for those highs at 40. That could be a trigger for your sell, which I'm actually going to do.
Yeah, I just set a limit on top of that. I like it. We just need to hold above this 26.
And then if you guys want extra risk, nothing less than 79, to be honest. We're in green right now.
Yeah, this 26K level is definitely volatile both ways.
Yeah, it's 1,000% volatile both ways.
Very nice, very kind. We are in longs for everybody that joined late. Stop joining late. You're gonna miss it, man. I do like that. I think
There
we're
we
gonna
go.
get
About to
triggered
get
here.
triggered right here. And I might have to just fill myself. Ayo.
Come on, come on. Oh, I didn't get filled.
Yeah, I know. I
I
didn't
moved
either.
it. I moved it to 38.25, and I still didn't get filled.
I moved it to 37, literally to that wick, and I never saw that wick again. And I wasn't even using a dynamic R. This is why dynamic Rs are so good, guys. Like what? We were 2 points away from getting filled.
Uh-huh.
I had mine at 39,
I
and
think we'll still get filled.
I think so too. But that's not the point, right? It's about making sure that your management is on par. And if we were using a dynamic R, easily we would have got triggered, even if we lost a few points there. Like what, 4 points at the most? It's fine. But anyways, that trade did go up 30 points right there from our initial entry. From an extension point of view, I would like to see equal highs at 57. So we'll see. You guys can now use your dynamic R.
Come on.
I haven't even dropped my SL yet. Drop it. Dropping. And filled. So removing that trigger.
Yep.
Good
Half
stuff,
out, baby.
guys. Good
Beauty.
stuff to start off the day. I'm actually going to move SL to profits now at 18.25.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm high key gonna move it to 12.50, which is still green for me.
Yeah.
But I just like it below that
I agree.
wick.
I agree. Here we go again with that
definitely
40
drag
test.
up.
And you know what? I'm actually going to trim one out.
If I knew you, baby.
And
W long.
I just got
First one I
filled.
took it.
Good shit, guys.
I'm still in with my 1250 SL, but I could very easily get filled.
That was literally my targets that I was when John said, "Hey, what are you looking for
Got
today?"
filled.
Literally Asia high, London high, needs to break out of there. Otherwise, that's the target. Literally took it as the target. Beautiful move. Beautiful take. Beautiful day so far.
Love it. Who took that long? Let's get some testes in the chat, baby. Let's get some testes in the chat and make sure to put it in the
dynamic
testimonials
target had to be
channel.
used.
Listen, guys, real quick. We always say, you know, that payouts is the only real testy that actually matters. But we still do like seeing your profits in the testimonials channel just to, you know, monitor your progress.
I forgot to mention something as well.
What?
So I was telling the boys this morning, and I'm not here trying to make excuses for myself, and we are about transparency. I did screw up on the trade sinker last night, and I even told VIP yesterday as well. I didn't explain it, but I did tell them that I screwed up. But apparently, my cockpit, which is what it's called in trade sinker.
Your what?
Cockpit is what it's called in trade sinker. Cockpit is what it's called in trade sinker. Put all the cons under one of my tradeifys.
Oh, so you had 5 points of drawdown.
And literally, I was just like, Uh-oh. Am I in trouble here? It ended up hitting PDPT.
Oh.
So I'm on the other 4. Again, full transparency. We're on the other 4, and on the stats, we are showing the worst of the whole set.
Oh, so your mistake was you printed.
Yeah, my mistake was I print but I printed on that. But
Yo, chat.
I did screw up on my PAs.
Do you guys want to make that mistake?
I did.
I'd like to make that mistake.
It wasn't worth the mistake though.
No, I understand, but like you know what I mean? Like if I made a mistake and I printed, like that's a pretty good mistake.
So far,
wouldn't
guys,
mind.
we are up on the 9 accounts, 1,294. And honestly,
Trader Joe's is like, I feel bad for you, Ace. I hate when that happens to me.
doesn't happen to me. Guys, John's in a laughing mood today. He's so giggly.
I'm a goofy guy.
He's a goofing goobers. He keeps going. I've had 3
Alright.
issues in the last week with them. They have been having server issues, not closing trades. Then even took a trade one day when I wasn't even on. Yo, trust me, I thought I was going insane, CT, when something executed that I'm like, yo, I know for a fact I didn't do it. And what sucks with Apex is their Tradeovate hasn't integrated the manual lockout. So all of my other accounts were locked out, but
Apex doesn't have lockout?
it doesn't have manual lockout feature yet.
Oh,
They didn't integrate it.
I understand.
So that ended up cooking me last night too.
You're not available. I actually don't know what you mean. You know what I mean? I understand. Anyway, yo, chat. So you guys obviously, because you love us so much and we do so much for you, you guys have for sure been engaging on the socials, right? I haven't checked, but I'm assuming that you have. You know what I mean? Like as a nice thank you for everything that we do.
Back here, guys, at these highs. So if you guys couldn't get your trim, it's literally there for you right now.
Beauty. But we literally took like the banger long, and then it's just been kind of being mid.
There it goes for the extension. That's what I wanted to see. So if we can hold this, guys, above 50. So I'm going to lose out on 10 points. It's fine. But if it can hold above 50, then I'm going to trigger myself in. We do have to watch out for that open wick of at 1 a.m. You guys can see it literally extended all the way to 60 and then sucked all the way back down. But we do have to be careful of that scout wick right there.
Yeah. That's why you wait for a hold. We tapped it. If I know you, baby. We are Prophub, the most transparent.
And one of you guys do me a favor, my option folks, once NVDA gets to 200, can you just ping me multiple times so I don't forget?
Very nice, very kind. Here we go, the potential. Banger song, I still listen to it. What a banger. You know who's a GOAT? You know who's a GOAT?
Ace.
Justin Bieber.
Oh, he is. Did you guys see his Coachella set?
Yeah.
His Coachella set was actually banger.
Oh, there is a close above 50. Are we going to hold that? Is the potentials potentialing? If I know.
Mine just bugged out again. Yeah, Kels, yours had an issue last night too, no? So let's see if we can get above this 57. Above 57. There it is. I'm going to trigger. I think it's a little early. But it's okay. SL would have to be underneath. Under 38. Shit. 32. 32.50 is my stop.
Yeah.
I didn't realize I entered in with a bigger position as of right now. It's fine.
Bigger positions?
Yeah. I'll just manage it properly.
I'm not gonna lie though, above 60, we actually have a lot of room.
We do. Massive amounts of room.
Like a lot of room to run. Which, hey, if this is early and we get tapped and then we reclaim and it's a valid re-entry, I will re-enter. I don't give a fuck. But I think if we hold this 50, we'll be fine. Looking for a quick test under 45. Yeah, that's valid. Bounce off 40. 38 to 40. Pretty valid. Buy stop in W euro.
So Globex just hit its full extension at 53, and our London just hit our 4. So things to watch out here for, guys. If we can position above that 55, then it looks good. We might get tapped out here. We'll see. We do have that test of, I might honestly drop this a little bit lower, but nothing more than, I would say, 2750. Yeah. 3450, that was a good test. But as you guys can see from the indicator, it tapped our 4 extension, so a 3 sigma from our London. And then on our Globex, that did just hit a full extension, full sigma at 53.5. So we do need to be positioned both above essentially 55 and 53 for this thing to want to continue. Like I said, it was definitely an earlier trade. It needed to hold 57, literally went to 60 and got shot down.
Yep. We need to reclaim now, basically.
Yeah. That did just test our 2 extension, which is nice, and sucking back up to our 3 right there. Reclaims a 42. I'd be very happy. And then obviously needs to go all the way up to those 50 levels. If not, I'm going to get tapped at 57.50, and I'm just going to have to eat it.
27.50.
Yeah. Currently in red right now and tapped.
I'm still in. I'm out. All right, I love it. I love it.
He loves it.
I love it, baby.
I'm going to move over to a 30-minute. Let's see. Do I have anything on a 30?
I just got sold on Microsoft at 1.5. W secret. W secret.
Coming all the way back down from that 60.
Yep.
Oh, I literally called out that scout wick too and freaking triggered myself early. That's on me, guys.
I understand. Damn, ES had a lot more movement. I love it. I love the comeback though.
Hey, yo, what?
What?
Who's coming on your back?
That's not what I said.
Oh. How come you guys aren't in TikTok? Maybe that's why.
Oh, I gotta go. Oh.
Should have
Shit.
realized, bro.
I gotta go on TikTok. I completely forgot. Realize. Like for real. There we go. Ace of Trades on TikTok with 3 S's.
Ooh. Decent slide to the downside now.
Holy
Putting in a new low for this New York session. And we do have our 15 minutes printed in there now. So let's change our indicator. And we now have our inside range.
That 26K reclaim is kind of nuts though.
I do like it, to be honest. I actually don't mind taking it. Did I? No, but I do like it. I do like it. Your SL would have to be below that wick, so we're talking like 79, 78, yep.
If I know you, baby.
Reclaim of that's 10. But it wants to go retest 18 already? Yeah. It literally retested that previous base that she created right at 9:30.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
Reclaims of 20 right there. It's nice. What is the top of that? 24. Close above 24. I will look for the long again.
I like that.
Trading the inside range right now. Not the biggest fan of inside range, but the market presents an opportunity. Have to take the opportunity and say, ha, thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you very much.
Because you know what they say. Realize,
what did they
realize,
say?
realize.
WKLs. What is that total? 2,700, 2,800, something like that.
Nice.
Dub. W's.com. Closed below that 20, but
There it is. That's
Very
nice. Yeah. I'm triggered. Literally at our London high. I'm getting bad fills right now.
dude, that fill for me was like actually so bad, and I lost my voice just trying to say that.
I heard. That was actually a little embarrassing.
Hey, it's not that embarrassing. Let's be real. Bro, I literally looked away to click buy, and it wicked up and filled me. That was crazy. What's your entry?
Horrible. 34.75.
Would you believe mine is worse?
No way.
36.
What the
It's actually insane. This is like fully V-shaped
So
recovery.
again, watch out for that 50, guys. That 50, and then obviously that 60 is going to be pretty juicy. Make sure that you guys have your stops in place. Here it is at that 50. At that 50, feel free to be dynamic with your stop. Right there, I'm back in the green barely at that 50. I'm talking like $10. I'm moving my stop to 12.25, so still having decent risk on this trade. I think it could continue, assuming it breaks 57. And I showed you guys all of those levels from the indicator, literally sitting at 53, 55. So that 50 is going to be pretty key. Hence why I said be dynamic at that 50 if you guys need to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Je ne parle
Gonna give it a do.
de Algals. But chanter.
Baby girl. I don't know. Just waiting. Just waiting, typing while shading. I really do think this is gonna
I like it, yeah.
break the 60 though. I can't lie. Cannot lie. Unless we get like a heavy rejection off the 50.
I mean, it did suck up pretty juicy off that 50.
Yeah.
I hope you guys either had a trim or you guys were dynamic there or something of that nature. If you guys do have that extra risk attached, then just make sure that you guys are using proper account management. Please.
You know what's holding us back right now? Yes.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back.
ES hasn't even reclaimed like halfway to that high. That is the only thing that is making me not like. On NQ side though, I like it.
My charts overall got so messy. Holy sharp buckets.
Oh, he just shit his pants. I do like that reclaim close.
Yeah. I am going to put in...
Come on, ES.
Yeah, I'm going to put in a trim, guys, right at that high again. Let's see. Put 2 here. 1 here. Stagger them up.
Baby girl. I don't know.
It's funny because I have a trim there, but I'm also going to add in if we sweep 59. So
that's like fully valid.
So it just got
Got
filled.
filled.
Yep. And if it sweeps the high, I'm literally adding back in.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see.